Please watch this newly uploaded video. You will not regret it. I want to give you a virtual tour of a modern brand new home interior. At first glance, nothing special. One level family home with a simple facade and simple home interior. And yet, something makes this home stand out. Maybe the clean lines, the focus on natural lights and open spaces, or the large windows that let plenty of natural light to get inside. This modern family home has a beautiful exterior with large windows and glass doors. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Clever and practical interior decor in this admirable modern house, surrounded by green lawn and garden, modern and large open space with white walls and large ceramic tile flooring. Let's start with the living room, a modern living room that is comfortable and inviting, built for today's lifestyles. It features a large corner sofa in a soothing brown color which gives comfort to the space without imposing. Green armchairs with a retro look complements the decor. The brown hue accent wall matches the sofa color. Next, let's check out the kitchen. A modern kitchen can be sleek and functional with plenty of storage and countertop space, like this modern gourmet kitchen with white cabinets and a large island. Beautiful and elegant master bedroom with sage green accent wall. Great space for the small ones, large and bright kids' bedroom. In this home, you can also find a special room for a comfortable workspace. And here the back door with mudroom and laundry room. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regard, and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.